Okay, Avery, this video goes out to you. So let's say we have the integral. I tried to make this problem as simple as possible considering what skills we have so far, right? So if I'm getting the area from 0 to 5 of a triangle, okay, this area is 1/2 base times height, which is 12.5. Well, let's say I say that u equals x minus 1. du would equal dx, right? And x would equal u plus 1. Backwards u sub. Making a little table. Okay, if we have x is 5, x is 0, so we get our u values. Okay, I go back. I replace x with u plus 1. I get the antiderivatives, u squared over 2 plus u. But my bounds of integration are -1 to 4. And I get the same answer, 12.5. Okay, so why does this happen? Oh, sorry, this is a du. I just realized that. So I have some graph of u plus 1, right? But my graph is going from -1 to 4. So since I'm going from -1 just to 4, so at 4, remember this was x plus 1. That height is 5. So did you see that my base and my height are the same? All right, Avery, I hope this helps you intuitively. Thanks, guys.